Welcome back to Technologies. I have studied and I'm going to teach you how you can do a Minecraft modification correctly. The first thing we are going to do is log to the page and cursor forward here, and we can see the several options and press the Minecraft. We can see the categories. Okay, press here and select mods. Here in mods you order with latest update. For example, this is created in 12 this year, and Duolan. In my case, I have Duolan here, and the second option is go to the search folder, open the web, and Duolan latest installer 25 days ago. Okay, press here and we can see the option to Duolan in here. I have Duolan here, and go to the escritory, go to the windows, and you can search the two dual-ended cursor forward. The option, and you can add to your escritory and open this two option, and your Minecraft mods is actualized. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us here in Technologies.